So how do you make money with solo ads? Well, number one, those prepackaged done for you sales funnels where it's a business opportunity where you just drive traffic to an opt-in form, they don't work. I'll tell you why and I'll demonstrate to you why. Primarily what those sales funnels do is sell one product. So basically what happens is somebody opts into your form, which is the first trick. They opt in and then it goes through 2 or 3 emails to sell whatever that product owner has to offer. Great. Most people will go broke doing that sort of thing. And I've done all sorts of videos on math and numbers, and you can go look at those if you want to see. It's going to cost a lot of money just to get a lead engaged. So you want to give yourself the best opportunity to actually make your money back and then make a profit on top of that. So what I'm going to show you, as soon as I pause this video, is what you got to do to make it work for you. Okay, I'm in my Aweber account that I use for testing. And I use a number of different autoresponders. I really like Aweber for my follow-up campaigns. So I'm just going to grab, this is a brand new campaign I created. It's from a CPA product I have in the network. So in other words, the leads that I'm generating for this particular follow-up series of emails, or you can run campaigns if you want, is strictly from my CPA product. What I'll ultimately do is I'll create a campaign and segment it, but initially I start off with just creating my follow-ups. Okay, thank you for downloading my WordPress plugin. These are the emails that are going to go out like every day. Okay, send immediately, one day after. And then focus on this. Key to website traffic, 58% open. I'm beginning to learn what my list is all about. Check us out at Bulletproof Email Solution. Done for you traffic business, 17%. Brand new. This one seems to be getting a lot of attention, 23%. So I might actually put this in front. Now, why would I do that? Well, I've been testing out to see which emails are going to get the most action and which one is most important to me, okay? I'm giving people free download, so the thank you for download is an easy way to start a relationship with them. Key to website traffic, which is the number one and most important thing. Email marketing, here you go. You've been checking this out, Bulletproof Email Solution, and you'll notice that the open rates drop with time. But every once in a while, you'll see a really good one, like getting to know you here. 18%. I might actually drag that up to, let's say, right here. And you'll notice I'm sending out an email every single day of the week. And then once in a while, I might skip a couple days. And I have this, I think this is a very brand new one. It's only like, I think it's 20 emails long. When I get through developing this out, it will end up being 90 days, which is a lot longer than 24, I think is what it is now. 25, 26. Yeah, it's 26. So I'm only a quarter of the way developing this sales funnel. But this sales funnel is designed in order to get opens and clicks everywhere. So I'm just rearranging things and taking the things that don't get action and moving them towards the bottom. So what's going to happen is when your leads are brand new, you're going to get better reaction and more people are going to open and click. My leads are coming from someone that's actually taking advantage of our free WordPress plugin. We send this immediately just saying, thanks for downloading our plugin. It's just an introduction. I don't sell anything. And this has been my most effective email, the key to website traffic. Okay, and I'm selling a product called the Amplified Traffic System, which is my product that I developed. I'm also selling a product called the U2CB system and another product called Bulletproof Email Solution. So I sell my 3 products first, and then I started selling affiliate products. And I also do my done-for-you traffic business, which is our solo ad business. And I sell some high-end products. This is a book product and a bunch of other things. And then what I'll do is I'll add to this like 1 or 2 emails a day as I'm starting to drive traffic. My traffic source is coming from the CPA product, which offers a free WordPress plugin. And then, obviously the thank you page is a sales letter. The sales letter is converting not great. I don't expect it to convert. It is the Bulletproof Email product solution that we have on the CPA network. So Where it converts. Where it don't. It is a definitely consistent traffic coming in. I'm getting 40, 50 leads a day. I am pulling out of this brand new sales funnel about $50 a day right now, which is not a ton. But I have other sales funnels doing $500 a day. So it just depends on a couple of different things. I'm a solo ad provider, so I run all my traffic through a main sales funnel, and then I also offer my products through a different sales funnel as well. So there's quite a labyrinth that new leads go through. But all these leads are coming from the CPA network right now, which is a great source of leads. This is what sells. This is what makes money. And I'll keep adding to this and testing what works and doesn't work. If it doesn't work, if I send 50 emails to this guy right here and I get 0 clicks and opens and I don't make any money. Now this is actually a $1,000 product on ClickBank, and I've sold several of them. And I get a $400 commission. I've sold like 2 this week. So, I mean, it's a constant flow of traffic and a constant flow of offers, and I position the offers where they perform best in my list. When you get down to when you get down to 60, 70, 90 days, it's mostly they're going to be really, really loyal clients. And once I mature this into a campaign and start doing segmentation, your conversion rates will be pretty consistent throughout the life of the list. That's how you make money with solo ads. You can buy solo ads, run them into here, run them through a campaign, see what they respond to. If they respond to this, you actually send them to a different funnel. If they respond to this, you can send them to a different funnel. It's all about marketing. It's about the ability to find out what your list is interested in and then taking that to the next level.